In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share games across multiple Steam accounts. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a Steam family, invite members, and start accessing each other's eligible games while keeping your own saves and achievements separate. Before you start, there's one crucial requirement: every member you plan to share with must be in the same country and Steam store region. Steam enforces this to keep pricing and content consistent. If someone's region doesn't match, they won't be able to join the family or access the shared library, so double-check that everyone's region is aligned first. Now, let's create your family. Open the Steam client on your computer. Click your profile in the top right corner and choose Account Details. In that view, look for Family Management. Open it, then select Create a Family. Give your family a clear, easy-to-recognize name so everyone knows it's the right one. From here, you can invite up to 5 people. When you send an invitation, you'll choose whether to invite them as an adult or a child. Adults generally have more permissions and can help manage family settings, while child accounts are designed with restrictions in mind. You can invite directly from your friends list for a quick setup, or generate an invite code and share that securely if someone isn't on your friends list yet. Once you've sent invites, the joining process is straightforward. Invited members will see a notification in their Steam inbox. All they need to do is open that notification and accept. After they accept, they're officially part of your family group. If someone doesn't see the invitation right away, have them check their notifications again in a minute or two, as it can take a moment to appear. After a member joins, a family library section appears automatically. This is where all shareable games from family members show up. Not every game is eligible. Some titles have third-party restrictions, but everything that is shareable will be clearly listed. When a family member installs and plays a shared game, they download their own copy and keep their own cloud saves and achievements. Progress stays tied to their personal account, and any in-game purchases are billed to the player who makes them, not the owner of the original game. That's it. Enjoy playing more games together, with separate progress for everyone. Thanks for watching.